JD La Cruz in Dubai. And today, March 31, is still Eid holiday, Eid al-Fitr holiday in UAE. So my friend and I decided to have a long drive going to Corfucan, UAE. So out of Dubai, we will have a long drive. So our stop over here, we will buy something to eat, something to drink. Still our halfway, because it's 1 hour and a half drive going to Fujairah. Iba talaga pag may sasakyan no. If you have a car and your friend said, okay, yala, let's go, then let's go. We will go on the top of the mountain there. So see you guys after 30 minutes or 45 minutes. We will reach our destination. It's very, very good sightseeing. You will see at top of the mountains. Very nice. Okay, see you. Second stop, Hatta Souk. We are here now in Hatta boundary. Hatta Station Coffee. Good evening. Cafe latte.
Cafe latte and
Hatta Souk. SpongeBob. Ayun na yan. Liit-liit. Inabot na kami ng gabi. Mahal lang kape. Napunta pa kami ng Hatta Oman para bumili ng kape. One week na akong hindi nagkakape. Kapag kape. I told you, no? We are on the other side.
From the other way around?
Yes. Not lost, but on the other side. Maldives and what do you call this? Rashadia side. in the area of
We
Umramun,
are going
something like this.
way.
Yeah.
That was like this way. This is
Yeah.
like this way.
But
That
that
would
is
go
the
from.
correct
That would take us from Sharjah.
Sharjah.
And this will take us from Dubai.
Sharjah and then Green Line area where we came from. Correct? And this the other way.
That other way was from Sharjah, where we came back. We are going. We went now. But that would be from. This is from the Dubai entry. Okay, let's see. Either way.
Just look like it's still Sharjah.
I think this is the outskirt of this Madam. This place is, I think, Madam. These are these-
Madam Sharjah.
No, Sharjah is the other side.
Ah, yeah.
This is Madam. Al Madam. A part of Dubai only, no?
Madam, yeah, Sharjah. Madam Sharjah, it's written there.
There.
Yeah, see? Third stop, third or fourth, naligaw kami. So, dito pa rin kami sa, ayan, kami sa shawarma. This is still Hata Oman, Al Madam. Diba? After 1 hour and a half, andito pa rin kami sa Oman. Still in Oman. Chicken burger, friends. We are here in Enoch to make welcome back to Al Riga, Dubai. We are here on our location after 6 hours drive. We're here now in Riga. Thank you so much for watching. Jay De La Cuisine, Dubai. Eid Mubarak.